Friends, today in Scholastic News, you are going to be reading an article about butterflies. I'm going to walk you through the steps for completing this assignment. First, when you click on the link for Scholastic News, you will select Login. And then you will select I am a student. Here, you will put in our class code, which is linked on the Google slide presentation for today. I'm going to go ahead and type it in now. You will notice there are no spaces. If you put a space or type something incorrectly, you may have difficulty getting into Scholastic News. Then click the blue button, Sign In. Once you get to this screen, you are going to select this photograph here. Butterflies are back. You're going to click over at the left where it says Butterflies are back. And you're going to select On Level. When you get here, there are going to be 4 things that you need to do. The first thing that you will do is click the orange button, Video. And you'll be watching a video about the life of a butterfly. The second thing that you will do is click the pink button. Here are important bolded vocabulary words you will find in this text. The third thing that you will do is you will listen to and read the article, Monarchs on the Move. To hear this article, you will click the Read Aloud button at the top.
Monarchs on the Move. Can you find the monarch butterfly on the cover? Monarch butterflies make an amazing trip every year.
So a couple things there. Anytime you want to pause it, you will hit pause at the top. If you need to zoom in and make the text a little bigger as you listen to it, you can do that as well. This article is all about the migration or the movement of monarch butterflies. So you will continue listening and reading this text until you get to the end. Click the arrow here at the side, and this is the assignment that you will be sending to Mrs. Rice. You are going to read about the life cycle of a monarch butterfly and then answer the questions below. So below each photograph, there are little words that tell you about that particular photograph. This first step in the monarch butterfly's life cycle is the egg. So below is information about that part of the monarch butterfly life cycle. So you'll want to read all of that very carefully. Then you will answer these 4 questions. Once you have this completed, have your family take a picture and send it to me so I will know that you did this quiz. So that was the third thing I wanted you to do. So the first thing was the video. The second thing was the vocabulary. Third step, read the article, do the quiz. Fourth, game. The game is always fun, but it also really teaches us too and helps us work on our language arts skills. Today, you are going to be looking for words that are correctly capitalized. Let me show you what that will look like. Monarch blank are so beautiful. Both choices are butterflies. We need to figure out whether we need to capitalize the word butterflies or not. Well, I know monarch is the name of a butterfly and it's already capitalized. But if I just have the word butterfly, it doesn't tell me what kind of butterfly. So I wouldn't need to capitalize.